Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to contact Glow customer service in order to cancel auto renewal. Now, to do this is quite simple. All you have to do is speak directly to the Glow customer care service representative. How? Dial the Glow customer service number, which is star 121 hash. Let's do that. You open your dialpad or your keypad, star 121 hash. Then you press call. So don't forget to do it on your Glow line. So once you've done that, you have to follow the voice prompt to speak with your representative. Don't forget to request cancellation of the auto renewal once connected to them. The representative will guide you through the process. So ensure you receive a verbal or SMS confirmation of the cancellation. Now, you must note that when you cancel auto renewal on Glow, you can still use the data until the current plan expires. Then you must subscribe to a new plan, as the subscription will not be automatically renewed. That's right. So you must know your data usage, because it is imperative to monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected charges. You will not receive a refund for your unused data if you cancel the auto renewal service on Glow before your current data plan ends. Therefore, you must plan accordingly to avoid losing your current data to an impulsive decision. Next, you may be charged for the next data subscription cycle if you cancel auto renewal on the plan's renewal date. Therefore, it is better to cancel auto renewal at least 24 hours before the plan's expiry date. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.